Should I Share My Ice Cream? An Elephant and Piggie Book by Mo Willems. Read by Patryks.VoiceRail. Ice cream! Get your cold ice cream for a hot day! Oh boy! Ice cream! One ice cream, please. Here you go. Oh boy! Oh boy! I love ice cream! Wait, Piggie loves ice cream too. Piggie is my best friend. Should I share my ice cream with her? Should I share my awesome, yummy, sweet, super, great, tasty, nice, cool ice cream? Maybe Piggie does not like this flavor. Sharing a flavor Piggie does not like would be wrong. I will eat the ice cream. Wait. Piggie will like this flavor. It is very yummy. I will share my ice cream. It will not be easy. Hey, Piggie is not here. She does not know I have ice cream. I will eat the ice cream! Where is Piggie? What if she is sad somewhere? I must find her. When I do, I will say, "Would you like some of my ice cream?" Then she will say, "Thank you. That would cheer me up." Then I will give her my ice cream to share. Then my best friend will be happy. I will do it. I will share my ice cream? No! Now Piggie cannot have any of my ice cream. Now I cannot have any of my ice cream. I blew it. You look sad. Would you like some of my ice cream? Thank you. That would cheer me up. That was not my plan. Oh well. This works too. The moral of the story: even though it feels normal to overthink things, normal to feel nervous, and normal to second-guess yourself based on circumstances, life always has a way of working itself out, as Elephant learned the hard way. Elephant wanted the ice cream for himself, but realized that Piggie might wanted some ice cream. So Elephant spent a lot of time overthinking, and his overthinking got the best of him, leading to him spilling the ice cream. And then Piggie came through and shared her ice cream with Elephant, thus proving that life has a way of working out. Hope you enjoyed the story.